morning. Welcome to another day in the life vlog. I'm so excited to hang out today. So today we have a few things to get done. We already did our workout for the day, so we can cross that one off the list, which is great. And then I also want to get a little bit of cleaning done, some packing done. So kind of a big announcement. We are actually moving, so we're moving from DC to Florida next month. So we have a little bit over a month to get everything all packed and ready, and we're actually going to be away for 2 of those weeks between now and then. One visiting my husband's parents, my in-laws, for a week, and then the second week we're actually spending down in Hilton Head with my family for a family vacation. So we're gonna have to fit a lot in the time that we have left here, but definitely want to try to get some packing done today. I've been trying to do a little bit every day, so we'll try to do some more today. And then this evening we might try to go hit the driving range or something. We'll see, I don't know. But right now I am really in the mood for a smoothie, but we don't have ingredients for a smoothie. We don't have all of the ingredients. So I figured I would run over to the grocery store, pick up some bananas and stuff like that I need for a smoothie, and then also a couple other ingredients. So it's also tomorrow is my husband's birthday, so big day planned, but he requested chocolate chip muffins, and so I have to go pick up some ingredients. Of course I have to make him chocolate chip muffins. So smoothie ingredients, muffin ingredients, and we'll see if there's anything else that looks good, but let's hit the grocery store. So while I was at Whole Foods, I was really hungry, and so I picked up some sushi for my husband and I to eat for lunch. So we just finished up eating, and now I'm not super hungry anymore for a smoothie, so I'm probably just gonna save it for like an afternoon snack, because like without a doubt I always get hungry before dinner around like 3 p.m. So I will probably, what time is it now? Yeah, plenty of time. So I'll probably just make myself a smoothie then for like a good afternoon snack to get me through the rest of the day. But now let's put away the groceries, get the dishes taken care of, maybe some other just like tidying and cleaning up and everything. And we'll just see where else the day takes us. So I don't think you could see this from the angle that I just like put the camera down to take that video of me tidying, but on the floor here, we do have little man's super cushy little bed, which is great. We actually just picked it up from Target. I don't think it's supposed to be like a cat bed or anything. It's just like a little like floor cushion. And Banks loves like super soft materials, and so John grabbed that because he was like, Banks is gonna love this, and he does. He's obsessed with it. It's like, I need to figure out if we can wash it because it's super ratty looking. But he also has a brick. This is Banks's brick. So we had a couple bricks randomly in the house, I think just like left over from doing some stuff out back, and my husband, well, whatever, just like use them for random things. And then we noticed one day that Banks found a brick and was just like obsessed with it, like rubs his face on it, rolls around over it, like loves it. And so we've now designated an entire brick just for him. So in the middle of our living room, we just have like a brick on the floor, like, because that's totally normal, right? But it's like super cute. We always joke that whenever we're moving, like we're literally gonna have to pack a brick with us because our cat loves it so much. But anyway, so we just got the living room tidied up. I'm feeling good about that. The kitchen's looking good. I think I might try to go tidy upstairs a bit. So also the motivation behind doing some of this tidying is that my old boss and his wife are coming over this evening because since we're moving, they're really interested in the house, and like they've been really interested in the house for a while now. I know, buddy, I know. Hold on. It's like, he's like, Mom. So they're coming over to like take a look at the house to see if they'd be interested in it once we leave. So obviously want to make it look good. Don't want like a crazy dirty house, which I mean, we have stuff everywhere because we're moving and there are boxes everywhere. But at least trying to make it look like a little put together where I can. So that's kind of the underlying motivation here, to get this mostly cleaned up. So I don't know, what do you think, Banks? On camera it's so funny because he's just like this big black blob with like these like huge green eyes. It's always like really hard to take photos of him. Just a cat and his brick. It has been, I feel like we got a lot done today. So we did some cleaning earlier, we did some packing, we had my old boss and his wife come over to check out the house. I think they really loved it, so fingers crossed they will take over after we leave here. And then John and I went to the driving range, which was a lot of fun. He actually, for his birthday, I got him a like mobile launch monitor, and it's really cool. So it connects to your phone and it uses your phone's camera to like watch you swing, and then it can tell you it kind of like tracks your ball using radar, I think. So it will show you like the trail that your ball took, which is really cool, and it tells you how fast it went, how far it went. So I think it was just like really cool. It kind of made it more fun to see that, and he, I think, will be able to use that to improve his golf game, so he's really excited about that. I don't know if you've ever played Topgolf before. It's kind of like, we were joking, it's like a mini like personal Topgolf machine. It's just really cool and it's a lot of fun. So we did that, and then we were just gonna grab some food from the concession stand there, which is definitely not the healthiest, but it is just so good. But we went in there and then they were closed. I guess they stopped serving food at 3:30 this afternoon, which is a strange time to stop serving food, but we ended up just going to P.F. Chang's instead. We love P.F. Chang's. It's so delicious. So we would probably order Chinese food at least once a week previously, but we started going to P.F. Chang's probably like once a week, once every other week. So it's a little bit better for us and it's a little healthier, and it's just so delicious. So we went out to dinner there tonight. I always get their Tokyo Mule. So good. It's like a Moscow Mule, but they use lychee. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. They use lychee in it, and it is just so delicious. It's like the perfect balance of tangy and sweet. So good. You have to try it if you like Moscow Mules, and let me know what you think if you do try it. But now we're back. I'm just gonna kind of get changed into comfies, and then I think we're gonna watch a movie and just relax for the rest of the night. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I truly had so much fun filming today's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. And I hope to see you guys next time.